Before starting with the video, please do subscribe to my channel. Today's topic is the missing links. So what is missing link? Missing link is a fossilized organism. It is what? Fossilized organism. What is the meaning of fossilized organism? It means it is extinct. It is no longer present and it has the characteristic feature of two different group of organisms. Organism is Lycanops. Lycanops is a connecting link between the reptiles and mammals. Here you can see the fossil of Lycanops and a artist have made the picture. So the characteristic which is showing like reptiles are it lays egg, shelled eggs, that is a characteristic feature of the reptiles, and it has cloaca. What is a cloaca? Cloaca is the single opening for urinogenital system, for urine, for genital system, and for the intestinal system. So it is present in reptiles, it is not present in apes, it is also not present in mammals. So this is a characteristic feature of reptiles, and in mammals it is showing here. Here are the characteristic feature of mammals and teats on body. Teats meaning the nipples on the body, it is showing. That is also a characteristic feature of mammals. So for this the trick is rest mat lo. You have to study, you should not take any rest, you should crack neat, so rest mat lo. From rest it's reptiles, from mat it's mammals, from lo it's life. Next is Cynognathus. Cynognathus is a connecting link between reptiles and between mammals. So this Cynognathus is also known as mammal-like reptile. It is mammal-like reptile. So for this, it is showing more characteristic of mammals. Like it is showing mammal-like diaphragm. It is warm-blooded. Reptiles are not warm-blooded. It gives birth to young one, while reptiles give eggs, and it has thick coat of hair. That is also a characteristic feature of mammals. So it shows more characteristic of mammals. For this, the trick is car mat roko. Don't stop the car mat roko. So from car it's Cynognathus, from mat it's mammals, and from roko it's reptiles. So the next organism is Basilosaurus. For Basilosaurus Basilosaurus is not a connecting link. It is a mammal that have moved from land to water. It has moved from land to water. We have known that whatever aquatic mammals we have seen today, we are able to see today, have moved from land itself. So there were no mammals before, but when the mammals have moved from land to water, they appeared in water. So Basilosaurus is one of the terrestrial mammals that have moved to the water. How we can say that? Because in the fossil of the Basilosaurus, there are hind limb present. In this picture, you can see the hind limb. In this picture, you can see the hind limb. So the hind limb is present, and the aquatic animals doesn't need any kind of hind limb. So this is stating us that the Basilosaurus has the move from land to water. So that so it is saying that it has hind limb, links the aquatic mammals to their terrestrial ancestor. So the trick for this is Batman. You must have seen the movies of Batman. So very easy trick, Batman. So the trick is Basilosaurus. From B it's Basilosaurus, from A is aquatic, from T is terrestrial, and from M is mammal. So this terrestrial mammal has moved to aquatic environment. That's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment my video, and please subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.